So what happens, this is a big furniture removal trailer, or a big enclosed trailer. And what happens if a bearing fails while you're driving along? You see the rub mark there, where the tyre's rubbed as part of the process, but the whole bearing and wheel assembly, everything, the hub, the whole lot has all come off and actually detached. The wheel came off this. You can see that bottom plate where it's impacted the road, that's all bent up. But the wheel, it's pretty spectacular. Have a look at that. So I'm thinking those massive dents all the way around, that's been hitting the road as it's going with that seized bearing. And have a look at the tyre. That really is pretty spectacular.
Actually, sorry, that's the one that was here.
So, here's the guy who was driving at the time when this happened. It's my brother.
That actually wheel was on the front. The wheel was on the back. Shot off into the bush 100 miles an hour. I looked for 5 hours, couldn't find it.
Haven't found it. So what did it sound like though when that happened and you're towing a trailer?
Couldn't really hear it. Felt a shift in the car when it happened. And I looked back and the trailer was on the... You mean the first one or the second one?
This one, the tyres just exploded.
Heard the
Have a look at that, where it
explosion.
split right through. Heard the explosion, that's when the tyre went off, was it?
Yeah, well, sorry, it wasn't an explosion, just a loud, like you release valve on a compressor, just a large air release.
Uh-huh.
And then you could just feel, because the car started to sway.
Yeah.
And you can't stop suddenly, you've got to bring it all under control slowly, and that's why the wheel gets so damaged. If you're in a car, you would have stopped in probably a tenth the distance.
So it's a pretty new tyre.
But it was on the Newell Highway and there's no edging, no sides, so with the trailer like this, the white line was here and semi-trailers won't even pull over.
Yeah.
And the trailer would rock about 2 or 3 feet every time a truck went past. Someone thought it would be funny if they also put their horn on as they went past at 3 in the morning.
Yeah. So what speed were you going when that happened? As long as it's a legal speed.
No, about 80 k's.
Yeah, because it is a big trailer.
95.
All right, so there you go. I put up that other
It's a car trailer as well.
photo.
It tilts.
Okay, yeah, that's great. I put up that other photo of that tyre that had been run flat, but that's far better. That rim damage is quite spectacular.